I'm on your neck. Everywhere you go, I'm going to be on your neck, Nishan. You understand me? You will not victimize anybody else in this county. Do you understand me? Matter of fact.
You know what it is, real Wildlife Beezy checking in on the hottest platform in the city, in the world. It's Wildlife Radio, man. And right now, reporting live from Savannah, Georgia, the west side to be exact, with a veteran of Wildlife Radio. Coming to the mic, I got my dog, Backdoe.
Don't turn me down. Free gusto, nigga. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby, turn me up. Gon' throw that ass back. I'm tryna skip the games. Can you please give me a pass? I got large amounts of cash. You got large amounts of ass. I'm from the other side, so you know this that green grass. Let's have a bad bitch hook. I'ma treat it like we fishing. Got nigga tryna beef, but I'm too busy eating chicken. Last night you caught me tripping. Just knew you bet I sipping. All that wine and reminiscing. Dog, I got you all finished. Don't turn me down. Big dog. Come fuck with a winner. Nothing about me perfect. I'm a natural born singer. I'm a big shark. Don't fuck with no fishes. Hit her with that dolphin. Now she tender. I made it sound like when I hit her, it's like pussy nigga, paper on a hoe. Why you all up in your feelings? What the fuck you mad for? Guess you hate that I'm the littest, I'm the biggest backdoor. Can't compete, you can't compare, cause you niggas on the floor. When I wake up in the morning, my first thoughts to get it rolling. When I pop out with that shit on, you can bet my pockets loaded. Watching from the nosebleed, all that hating shit I notice. All that acting like a gremlin. When you see me, let's get on. I know the Grim Reaper, he gon' stand on business. Talking like you with it, don't fuck around and end up missing. Fish fry, since you right here tripping. He hop out with that glizzy acting silly. He catch you, he gon'